the droid army created in real life. So we know that the separatists in Star Wars have this massive robot army of these droids, battle droids, spider droids, everything, right? Super battle droids, heavy support robots as an army. And it's really interesting to think about, if it was created in real life, how much would it actually cost? And it's just interesting to think about this hypothetical. So this is what Google says: estimating the real-life cost of a droid army, robot army like those in Star Wars is difficult, but based on some estimates, a separatist droid army with 1 billion B1 battle droids, 5.2 million heavy support units and blasters could cost approximately 2.6 trillion. So obviously in real life, it's a huge, almost impossibility just to have that many robots. We don't even have one that is as good as what we see them, how they perform in Star Wars, the super battle droids. And they can walk, they can target, they can talk. Like, they're super advanced in Star Wars. Very supreme technology, right? The robots are a lot different than what we see in real life now in 2025. But obviously things will change as technology gets better and better, faster. I bet in the next 50 years we might be able to have robot armies, but who knows if it will actually happen in real life. It's just fun comparing sci-fi, fictional Star Wars as opposed to real life. I've always thought about this, like, yeah, right, they would be able to build that many robots, you know. It costs, think of all the metals that they are used to create it. Someone would have to be extremely wealthy to do it, and even then, you're talking about all of that metal, right? So would a planet, they would have to rely on different sources to get the metals, maybe, and make friends with other factions. Let's see here. So number of droids. The example in the videos considers 1 billion B1 battle droids and 5.2 million additional heavy duty support units. And then, they have all types, the separatists. They have the commando droids, which were way more advanced and better at fighting and killing all the clones. So what robot from Star Wars would you guys want if you had one? I love the Magna Guards. I think those are like the coolest looking robots, in my opinion, in Star Wars. But commando droids also look dope. The super battle droid is iconic look as well. I would not want a B1. I feel like not many would choose a B1 if they could have it. Better than nothing, but wouldn't be my go-to pick just because of how flimsy and weak they look, I guess you could say. So just a fun, quick little video, guys. Let me know, type as a comment down below of your thoughts. I'm curious and interested what you have to say. What robot and droid from Star Wars, if you could have in real life, what would you choose? And also, how much do you think it would cost to actually make a real life version of the separatists' army of robots, the droid army? And if you have any video ideas of what you want me to do for future stuff, let me know that also. Thank you so much for watching. Just a quick fun video. I hope you're having a decent week. Consider subscribing and hitting the bell. It's free, helps me out, only takes a few seconds. I do it with my favorite YouTubers, and it just makes sense, right? Thank you guys. See you in my next one. Peace.